Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 46 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week are buttons, real drawn or stamped, a piece of architecture, I'm going with this, red ink, I've got my candied apple and I may use some markers, a business card, I've got a business card, some white space, I just did a plain white background, and several items of the same color family, and I just did all my buttons in blue. I figured it would match the sky, and she's got the blue cape, and I've got some blue Christmas ephemera. I've been in Christmas mode. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2022 CWP46 to see what everyone else has made. I've enjoyed this collage challenge all year, and it has been a lot of fun. I hope she'll do it next year. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, here it is. I've got my buttons. I've got my piece of architecture. I've got red ink, some white space, and I've got a business card which I collaged, and the several items of the same color family. I've got blues throughout, blue buttons, blues on the pictures, and I really like how it turned out. I had to do something with the background paper. White was just too white, but I did leave some white space. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Once again, be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2022CWP46. So until next time, bye y'all.